Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with my friend Joanna doing a role play. And so I will greet you guys to her. Say hi, Joanna.
Hi.
Okay. So we're gonna be doing a role play, and sorry I haven't been posting lately. I'm gonna start posting a lot now. I just had some difficulties. Technical difficulties for like months now. But yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and do all that. And yeah, let's get started. Joanna.
Where you at? I'm in the kitchen.
What?
I'm in the kitchen.
You're in the kitchen?
No, the kids' room.
You mean your room?
Yeah.
Where is your room? What's happening to all the carpets? Y'all tell me. Okay, what? Joanna, where you at? Okay, her room is right here.
Mom.
Are you in? You're not in your room.
Yeah.
No, that.
I was in the other.
That's the baby's room, Joanna.
Oh.
But you need to get ready for school, so you need to get on your Zoom class.
Okay.
I think you have that's not your room. Your room is over here. You should know where your room is.
No. Sometimes I get lost because this place is too big.
This place is not big. Let me change your picture. Oh no, that's missing. So,
is this good?
wait, I don't see it. Here, I'll lay some clothes out for you. Here's those clothes.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so I think I'm going to go make some food, guys, while I'm waiting. Just go in the kitchen.
Wait, what? Was these the clothes that you were talking about?
Hold up, I'm coming. Oh, yeah, those are the clothes.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna make some food. What should I make? What do you want to eat?
Eggs.
Eggs? Really? Again?
Yeah.
How about I make you some salad?
Okay.
You need to start eating healthy.
Hey, why? If they're healthy.
Well, you need to eat salad because you haven't ate salad in a month.
What you need? Hi, teacher. Okay.
For Zoom class.
Yeah, put my mic muted.
Okay, since she's in class, I need to go to work, but I'll go at work when she's going.
She's gonna teach me.
Just make some food for her while she.
Wait, is your mama in there?
Hey, sweetie, here's some food.
Okay, I'm just gonna turn off my camera. Turn off the camera.
Yeah, turn off your camera while you eat. Here, just take a portion. We eat this.
I just ate some.
Okay, good job. There's some salad. Now I want to eat some too. Okay, that's enough. I don't want you to get a full. That's just some. Okay, well, yeah. I'm going to see you when you're done. Okay, she should be done now. Just finished watching some TV. Let me go check on her.
Okay, teacher, are we done with school yet? Yes, you are done. Okay.
Are you done with school?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I don't know what's wrong with the carpets. But Yeah. So we need to go to the grocery store, Joanna.
Hey, what?
Yes, come on.
Okay.
I got the door. Turn off the lights. Jump over these rocks. Let's get in the car.
Okay.
Make sure to get in the back.
Okay. Oh, wait. Wait, hey, Mom.
I know.
Hey,
Come on, yeah.
Hey.
Here, do you want me to help you? Okay. Oh.
Oh,
It's okay. It's okay. Sorry about that. Okay, the garage door is still open. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now we're here and let's just park the car real quick. I'm not that good at parking. Okay, come on, Joanna.
Okay.
Come on, get in the car.
Okay.
Can you get in the car?
I can't get in the car.
Oh, let me see. Carrie, hold up. Stay still.
Okay.
But maybe if I get a car. Fine, you're just gonna have to stay on my. Just get down now. It's fine.
I'm just showing
Just
your
don't.
back.
No, don't go on my back. It's hurting my back.
What?
Don't go on my back. It's hurting my back. Thank you. Okay.
Can I get a car?
No.
Okay.
Get some grapes, apple.
Do
Get
you
some
everything in the
water.
store?
No, sweetie.
Why?
Cause that will be a lot of money.
Oh.
Let's get some more.
Where's the watermelon?
That's what I'm getting now. Okay, let's go. Check out. Yes, here we go. $100. Here you go. Okay, let's go.
Wait, $100?
Yeah, I told you, this place is expensive.
I didn't know it was that expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, well, guys, I think I'm going to end it here. I will wait, I'll try and link Joanna's YouTube channel down below. Bye.
I posted that down.
It also will link Roblox in the description. Bye.